story. Ain't no my mama's finna have another child. Like 5 months later, say I found out. I'm happy as a bitch, I'm like, oh yeah, I'm finna be a big brother to a boy. I ain't never had no little brother besides my fucking twin. It's time for him to come. I call my mom, I'm happy as fuck. She crying, she like, damn, he finna die. I'm like, don't do this to me, God. I cried, I ain't gon' lie, I ain't lying. I had them tears outside my eyes. Put my chopper to my brain like I was ready to die. I could put a trigger. I'm like, this bitch finna kill me. Cry my eyes out to my grandma, say yeah, she was feeding me lost. She saw my dad, baby, prayed overnight, he is not gon' die. I'm like, oh yeah, he is not gon' die. Then like 2 days later, mama called me crying. She like, he just died. I'm like, hell nah, I grabbed my gun. Nah, that was a G330, not no peanut butter. Put it up to my brain, couldn't pull the trigger. I had to think about my other siblings. Yeah, how my mama feels. She feels inside, I know she hurt.
Tryna get through depression, I feel it in my soul. Some days I'm feeling empty, it's like I lost control. But I'm still here breathing, tryna chase my goals. Ice is getting heavy, but I'm stronger than you know. Try to break my spirit, but they can't take my soul. Seen the bottom of the dark, but I climbed out the hole. Earning all this pain till something made a go. From the ashes of my past, watch a legend take control. Watch a legend take control. Watch me grow and grow.
I dream.